Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Robinhood for investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the home page, which displays market trends and your portfolio. To start investing, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. Select the stock from the search results to see its detailed page. On the stock page, observe the current price and historical performance. Click on the trade button to initiate your purchase. Choose the buy option when prompted. Enter the amount of shares you wish to purchase or the dollar amount you want to invest. Review the order details, ensuring everything is correct. If you're satisfied, click Review Order. After reviewing, tap Submit Order to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation notification once your order is executed. To check your investment, navigate back to your home page and click on your portfolio. Here you can monitor the performance of your investments in real time. To sell a stock, return to the stock's detail page, click on Trade, and select Sell. Enter the number of shares you wish to sell. Review the order and click Submit Order to complete the sale. Explore additional features such as options trading and cryptocurrency by navigating the app. Take time to read the educational resources available in the app to enhance your investing knowledge. Make informed decisions by following market news and trends displayed on your homepage. Continue to explore and utilize different investment strategies as you gain confidence with the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.